Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on SEI. Recently, after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, the price of SEI has broken out a very significant and long-term resistance zone that starts from 20 cents and goes to 22 cents. That was recently breaking out the resistance zone here for several days of weeks and support down here. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been breaking a support down here in the month of July. And in the month of December 2023, it was also breaking a support zone. And now after the breakout, it is again flipped into a support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that after the breakout, we had a nice rally, but the price was rejected by this long-term downtrend line resistance and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern that we have recently broken out. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for IP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 20th of April 2025. And here you can also want the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SCI. And this is the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or even for the past few months, since after 24th of November 2024, it was moving inside this bed. We had a bounce here, few rejections here, almost had another bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejections, bounce, rejection, and find the price and again bounce very well from the support and broke out the resistance of the wedge. And then we had a price accumulation above the resistance and the price, and well, this accumulation retested the previous resistance of the wedge support and geared up. And now recently we have broken out a very long-term resistance on that start from 20 cents and goes to 22 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that from the month of December 2023 up till the month of March 2025, it has been working at a very strong long-term support zone. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance zone. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was struggling to break it out. And now recently we have broken out. And right now the price is retesting the previous resistance as a support zone once again. And in case of a successful retest, the price can gear up and soon it can try to break out the next resistance here. That is at 32 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 32 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here. Let me just show you here. And you can see that here it was also breaking as a support. And here for a few weeks it had been breaking as a resistance. And now again it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of SCI. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel, from this wedge, is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 70 cents. And over there we have another very long-term resistance that was previously breaking as a resistance here. You can see that for a few weeks, the price line has been rejected by the 70 cents resistance here, and for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. And we will also need to break out this downtrend line resistance as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and for a few weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance here as well. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, that target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $1 to $1.14. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.